Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 four-cylinder with 184 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Trailer hitch. CX-5 all-wheel drive, Skyactiv technology badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Keyless entry. Power windows. Bose sound system. Power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. A touchscreen media display. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, USB ports, automatic transmission, hard keys for a media display. This Mazda has 40,385 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mazda CX-5, check out feldmanimports.com.